Right, so I've taken, I knew what that plane was. And that was the Cessna 152 that was. As this is one of the Cornwall Flying Club one that we sometimes see a parody. As you can see, the rate is G-BNSM. So the rate is G-BNSM, that is. Where you can see here, look, it's just flew past it as he was about 16,000 feet. So as you can see, that was this plane I've just seen today, which that was the Cessna 152 that was. So yeah, as this is one of the Cornwall Flying Club one that we usually see around Penryn. But anyway, let's have a look where it's come from. So that was the time it took off at 2:21 at Bobbin Airfield. That's the time it took off anyway. Which so yeah, that's the time it took off, was at Bobbin Airfield. Didn't say it's come from Bobbin General, but there we go. Yeah, this is where it took off at its base, the Bobbin Airfield. This is where it started its route from. So yeah, that's the time it took off. And to start with, as he was, as we saw it coming, he was about 10,000 feet, he was. And then he was coming up as he was reaching the 16,000 feet. And if we go to flyway 24, he should be on there. There he is. As you can see, that's operated by the Cornwall Flying Club one, which is that plane here. That's operated by Cornwall Flying Club. You can see it's going from not available to not available. Obviously this is where it didn't look like it seems to be at the right direction, but anyway. So here's plane fire's got that as well. So yeah, this is where it's now heading towards to, as he's now doing his lesson by the looks of it, now passing over near Devon. And hopefully should be on his way back to Bobbin Airfield at its base. So yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.